guys wearing green coming over here. I sort of have to crane my neck to see him, but
yeah.
I'm a pelican, not a crane.
She's talking, Pax.
Hey kid, do you shop at the Gap?
Paxton, is a bird talking?
Fan of the Gap? I think he is.
Wave at the bird.
One more time, kid. What question are you asking me?
You know Messi.
I don't know what the Messi. I don't know what the question is.
The soccer player, I think.
Oh, well, look at this kid's glasses. Those are silly. I like those. This guy has the Grinch on his shirt. That's cool. I like that. That's your brother. He shops at the Gap. Oh, that's the kid we can play checkers on his shirt. I remember that. Hello. Hey, kid in the stroller. How you doing, pal?
Hey, should we go, bub?
Bye.
Monroe, should we go? Say goodbye.
See you later, kid. Have a good day.